Hi travellers, today we're taking a quick look here at the new power bank from Nitecore. Now this one is called the NB Plus. Now you might remember a previous video recently I did on this one here, which is the NB Air, and I did a giveaway on that one. Now this one is the 10,000 milliamp hour version. This one is a 5,000 milliamp hour version. You might be wondering, like I was, why would they make another 10,000 milliamp hour power bank when they already have one, which I also reviewed here, which is the NB 10,000 Gen 3. Now you can see that they are both kind of similar in size, kind of similar in thickness, and they also have similar in and out ports. Now there are a couple of small differences why you might want to pick one over the other. In terms of weight, this new one actually is around 5 grams heavier. This one's actually about 5 grams lighter. The new one is IPX7 and this old one is IPX6. Now essentially the difference, what that means between those two things is that one is slightly more waterproof. So the new one here, this one, NB Plus, is IPX7, which means it can stand being submerged underwater for 30 minutes. So if you do drop this in a puddle or it gets a bit wet, it will survive a little bit better. So this one is a slightly more outdoorsy version. And as you can see, it doesn't have any clicky buttons. So this one here, the NB1000, has a pressable button. You can click it and you can hear it clicking. It also does have two USB-C in and out ports. You can charge an output on both of those ports, whereas the NB Plus here basically has a capacitive button like the NB Air. So this doesn't click, but when you touch it, then it does light up with how many bars of charge you have. Now the other difference here is that this has a USB Type-C for in and out. So this one is the charging port to charge the power bank itself. And it also does have a USB Type-A in case you had any older cables that you need to use for this. I like to use a power cable, kind of like this one here from Anker. This is one of their power cords. I forget what the exact name it is, but I'll put a link in the description there. Essentially it has an Apple Lightning connector there, Type-C, and then the micro USB port there. Now this does end on a USB Type-A, but you can get cables like this one, which have a conversion on the other end to go from Type-A to a Type-C cable, which I've found very handy. Now I just got this one on AliExpress, but you can find similar sort of cables that have multi-adapters. So this one in this case goes from an Apple cord, Lightning connector, to a Type-C connector. So that's it, just a really quick look there at the new NB Plus from Nitecore. Definitely go ahead and check it out with the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next one.